Shavua Tov, welcome to this YouTube podcast, Parshat Nitzavim. Now, beginning of Parshat Nitzavim, the Parsha warns us that when we get to Eretz Yisrael, we're going to see what in our eyes will appear to be abominations. You'll go there, you'll see their idols, you'll see their idol worshipping practices, their behavior, and you'll be absolutely repulsed by its inappropriateness and its disgusting nature. Stay away from it. So it's quite a bizarre concept that the Torah needs to tell us to stay away from something that naturally we find absolutely abhorrent. Why would we need to? If it's abhorrent, we're going to stay away from it. If we don't like it, we're going to stay away from it. So why do you need to warn us to stay away from it? So the rabbis suggest the following. You're right. When you get there, these things will be abhorrent. They will be disgusting. You'll find them despicable. But you know what? Everything loses its shock value in time. Everything over time, we become accustomed to it. It becomes normal, becomes acceptable, and eventually becomes desirable. And that's the reality, that we listen to TV, we listen to the radio, watch TV, things that we like, shock, horror. How could such a thing happen? And then it happens again and again. And all of a sudden, the violence on TV, the swearing becomes natural. You know, things that are PG today were not PG not so long ago. And it's unbelievable how society has just allowed itself to become conditioned and accepting of things that we initially could not tolerate and found totally disgusting and despicable. What's changed? The thing that has changed is we found it disgusting by being exposed to it for such a long time, it became attractive. So the Torah says to us, stay away from it. Allow the shock value to be maintained. Allow yourself to be repulsed by things that are repulsive and don't become accustomed to find them attractive. And that's a danger that we see in society today. You know, how long ago was it that we were shocked at the radio about something that came on and that announcement that was made, and everyone was shocked. And mark my words, in time you will get accustomed, and behavior of this nature will just become the norm. And the TV and the decadence, and I'm just blurbing and bantering on an absolute Norrish God, I'm going to get myself in trouble.